Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to unfollow someone in Bigo Live. To unfollow someone in Bigo Live is super easy. First of all, launch open your Bigo Live application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Bigo Live, go ahead and tap on Me at the bottom right corner. This will now take you to your profile section where you will see Following, Friends and Fans tab at the top. Tap on Following to see all of the people that you are following currently. To unfollow someone, tap the tick mark right next to their name and in the pop-up click Unfollow. Repeat this process for every other person you want to unfollow from your following list. And that's it. There you have successfully learned how you can unfollow someone on Bigo Live in just a quick, simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.